How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
What do you know what you want to be the best in the world at?
Yeah, a writer.
Writer. And you already written a book.
Yeah, I'm correcting it and I'm gonna publish it.
Where are you publishing it?
Maybe by this month, I think.
Okay. So what do you think you need from me?
I'm worried that my book might not be good enough, and I think that worry gets in the way of my creativity.
But why are you worried? You should for sure know that it's not good enough.
Yeah, but
Yeah, it's okay.
different people have.
It's the first book, right? Will your 10th book be better than this book?
Yeah, definitely.
You know that.
Yeah.
So it's not good enough compared to your 10th book.
Yeah.
Okay, so now when you develop this capability to know that my book may be good, may not be good, or it might be great, but it's not good enough compared to my 10th book or my next 10th book. If you develop that capability, what will that allow you to do?
It would allow me to be a little bit more carefree about writing. I would be a
And
little
if you
more
become
creative.
carefree like writing, and that becomes your way of life, 2 years from now, what will Agnit have accomplished?
A few series. I would be a little bit more confident. I would like writing a lot.
More series? You would have done a series?
Yeah.
You'd have done a few series.
Yeah, I started.
Yeah, and if Agnit has few series to his name, at that time when you take a photo of him, do you know how Agnit will look? The guy who's already written few series, do you know how that Agnit will look?
Like.
You have that picture?
Yeah.
That's your outcome picture. Okay, you know how to show. Okay, so were you paying attention to the outcome picture?
Yeah.
That is your outcome picture. Okay, she's going to help you find the trigger picture, the worry that you have, and she's going to change it for you in a way. Whenever your brain would have played the trigger picture, it'll play the outcome picture. You like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Very quick switch and back. Okay. Write about this also. Thank you. By when do you think you'll give me a few series?
I don't know, a year or two.
A year or two.
Yeah.
Okay, but now when you think about the fact that your book may not be good enough, how do you feel?
It's just not there anymore.
It's just not there anymore.
Yeah, it feels a lot better. When I think about the book, I just think about how good it's gonna be, not how bad it might be.
Honey, what will complete this for you? A path to success?
Yeah.
I'm going to give you a video. It's called Path to Success.
If you have a question after you see the video, you can come and talk to us.
Okay.
Otherwise, see it and just do it.
Do it. You finished watching Path to Success?
Yeah.
And what do you feel?
I feel like there's always more to do. If I reach my goal, that's just the beginning to another achievement. So I just have to keep going.
So when you become legendary, how would you know you become legendary?
I don't know, like if everyone like knows my name and stuff, then maybe.
Okay, and like when you said if everyone knows my name, you saw a picture?
Yeah, of me signing books and all.
Books, okay. Let's take that the context for Path to Success, and let's finish Path to Success.
Okay.
You took the final outcome as people signing it for people, and then you walked all the way to the present, correct?
Yeah.
Now, when you do the Path to Success, what happens is your unconscious figures out many things.
Yeah, it helped me plan a lot.
Yeah. The conscious planning you got is some of the outcomes of that Path to Success.
Yeah.
Over the days and weeks to come, the things your unconscious is recognized, it'll bring it to your conscious attention over the weeks to come.
Yeah. That's what
Yeah.
it was really helpful.
Sure. Okay, who's going first? Okay, go for it.
I have to figure out what I have to do as a career because I'm new.
You have to figure out what you need to do as a career because we are very, very confused.
I find interest in each and everything.
Give me a list of some of the things that you find interesting.
Like I want to become a doctor, an IAS officer, an astronaut. Like
Doctor, IAS officer, and astronaut. Okay. And what are you currently doing?
I'm a student.
Which grade?
10th.
Okay. What do you think you're going to get from becoming a doctor? What need of you is it satisfying?
Like treating patients and saving lives of people gives
Serving lives of people,
Saving lives.
saving lives. That gives you
satisfaction.
satisfaction. Okay. And then you said IAS officer.
And doing something for my country.
Okay. And then the astronaut.
I have interest in the space and space and science.
So what does it do for you?
I find interest in studying.
It satisfies your curiosity, or it gives you, it stimulates you.
It satisfies my curiosity.
It satisfies your curiosity. Okay. Can I borrow that book? Who can do a star activity? Who knows a star? You'll do a star activity. We're going to do some unconscious work, okay? Instead of seeing these three things as apart and different from each other, we're going to integrate all of this. Not at the level of the activity, we're going to integrate all of this at the level of intention.
What will it give you?
What will it give you? So one gives you like saving lives, serving the nation.
making the situation better.
What does serving the nation mean?
Improving the conditions in the nation, in India.
That the other one you like to. What about astronaut? What
Satisfying curiosity.
like you like science? Satisfy.
And space.
Huh?
And space.
So you want to have expertise or knowledge, space knowledge. What do you want? What is the end outcome? Space knowledge. So once your curiosity is satisfied, what would you have?
It will make me feel nice and satisfied
Satisfied. Okay. About?
about fulfilling my desires.
Okay. This is what you want. This is what you want for others. Okay. Satisfaction and desires. Fulfilling. Correct? Yeah.
Yeah, star
Star
activity
activity.
just 3 things. One
Yeah,
of them
this
is
one is
saving
just,
lives.
only
The
one,
other
two,
one
three.
is satisfying and
So she's going to do a
fulfilling
unconscious activity
desires.
with you.
And the
Finish
other
it
one
and come
is
back.
serving the living the condition.
Thank you.
Improving the conditions in the nation. These are the 3 aspects, metaphor, and
How do you feel now?
I feel more relaxed.
More?
Relaxed.
More relaxed. Okay. Are you
My
coming?
guess is you're going to pick science only. Potentially, if you want to be a doctor, then you will have to anyway do science. You can't pick
If you
commerce or
if you pick science, you can do any of the 3. Correct? You have 2 years to decide. Doctor, astronaut, or IAS. If you take science, you can get into any of these 3 streams. So that is decided. And over the next 2 years, we'll help you get more clarity. Your unconscious will work with this. Now that it's integrated, you'll be more certain. Okay. All the best. Pleasure.
See if you can get to meet people who are doing IAS. See if you can connect with people who are into space. People who are actually into it, not studying.
And can you go to
but
their office with
finish
them?
that piece and whatever it is that they're doing right now. See if you can connect. If there's some exposure you can get to people, so that'll help you get some more data as to what
Connect
is it.
and go to the office. You can go to a hospital, be with doctors.
My mother is a doctor.
Fantastic. And then IAS officer,
I have a relative.
go and spend time. Space exploratory. But in the next 6 months, you'll find someone, ask your parents, say, I want to go. Just be with them for a day and see how their job looks like.
And if possible, get more than one reference. in all three. Not like you have your mother being a doctor, but instead of only that setup, see if you can get some more diverse, because even as a doctor, there are 20 things that you can do. So,
See you. Bye bye.
but take science for sure.